If you're seeing the Slack error not underscore allowed underscore token underscore type, don't worry. This usually means your app is using the wrong type of token in your request. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, so you can get your Slack integration working again without wasting time guessing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and developer guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. This is the official Slack app management page where you can review your app settings and permissions. Once you're on the page, select the app that you're using for your request. After that, go to OAuth and permissions. This is where Slack shows you the credentials and access tokens tied to your app. Now look for the Bot User OAuth Token. This is the token that usually starts with xoxb-. Copy that token carefully. The important part here is that you want the bot token, not a user token and not a webhook URL. If you use xoxp- or if you try to use a webhook instead of a proper bot token, Slack can throw the not underscore allowed underscore token underscore type error. Next, go back to your request or your app code and replace the token you were using with the Bot User OAuth Token you just copied. Make sure your request is using the correct authorization format. Your header should look like this: Authorization, bearer xoxb-your-token. This part is really important because even if the token itself is valid, the request can still fail if the wrong token type is sent in the wrong format. If your app was already using the wrong token before, this is usually the main fix. Double check that there are no extra spaces, no missing characters, and no old tokens left behind in your environment variables, config files, or API request settings. Sometimes the error is caused by something as simple as an old value still saved in your project. After updating the token, go back to Slack and click Reinstall to Workspace. This step helps refresh your app permissions and make sure your bot token is active with the correct access. In many cases, skipping this step can leave your app in a broken state, especially after permission changes or app updates. Once reinstall is complete, send your request again. If everything is set up correctly, the not underscore allowed underscore token underscore type error should be gone, and your Slack request should go through successfully. If you still see the error, go back and verify 3 things. First, that you are using the Bot User OAuth Token. Second, that your header says bearer followed by the token. And third, that the app has been reinstalled to the workspace. Those 3 checks solve most cases of this issue. So to recap, open your Slack app settings, copy the xoxb bot token, replace any xoxp token or webhook, use the bearer authorization header, reinstall to the workspace, and try the request again. That's the fastest way to fix Slack error not underscore allowed underscore token underscore type. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.